There is a famous saying that says, an idea whose time has come cannot be stopped. As we stand in 2026, that idea is India. Good morning, everyone. This is Khushi Gazri, student of BCom first year. And today, I feel proud to speak on the topic startups and future of India. This topic is not just about business and money. Actually, it is about an idea, innovation, and courage, dreams of young India. Decades ago, the word startup whispered only in the corridors of IITs and high-tech hubs. But today, it is a household reality. From a vegetable vendor using QR code to a farmer in the village using satellites to monitor his crops, this innovation is true future of India. As we all know that India is a country of youth, more than half of our population is below the age of 30. This young population is not only a numbers, actually it is a powerful force that is shaping the future of our nation. And one of the most strongest ways this power is being used today is through startups. A startup doesn't mean a new business. It starts with a simple thought that how can I make my life better, easier and smarter. Many successful startups we see today just started from a small rooms, college hostels, households, and even from garage also. What mattered was not the big investment or big space. The thing mattered the most was the big thinking. In past and even today also, still dreams of most of the Indians is to get a secure government job or work in a big multinational companies. But now mindset is changing. Young people now want to create job instead of searching for jobs. Now they want to become job creators instead of job seekers. As we all know that last year our country celebrated the 10th anniversary of Startup Initiative, in which our PM has declared that India has become as one of the world's third largest startup ecosystem with over 2 lakh registered startups. From agriculture to finance, from healthcare to technology, Indian startups are making global impact. Many successful companies like Paytm, Byju's, Flipkart are the examples that how Indian startups can compete on world stage. Who would have thought 10 years ago that Indian private startups would be launching their own satellites and building rockets? But today, with over 3,600 deep tech firms, we are tackling with aerospace, advanced manufacturing and robotics. Beyond this, we are seeing the continuous rise of Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. And this will definitely happen that next unicorn will not come from Bangalore or Mumbai. It will come from Jaipur, Indore and Kochi. Startups are the pillars. As we are moving towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2027, they are the most strongest ways in future of India. Firstly, they generate a huge employment opportunities. A single successful startup can create jobs for hundreds or even thousands of people, which is a key to reduce the unemployment and improves our standards of living. Secondly, they are the biggest supporter of economic growth. As a business grows, its investment, production, distribution, everything gets increased, which is a biggest pillar to strengthen our Indian economy at a large scale. And now, most of these startups are focusing on rural development. They are trying to connect farmers with the new market and advanced technologies. This is a key to reduce that gap which is made between the urban and rural development. Because future of India and startups of India are two sides of the same coin. As our business grows, India grows. And now we are moving from make in India to innovate in India. As a students, we are the future entrepreneurs, leaders and innovators of India. We have to develop skills in ourselves like creativity, teamwork and confidence, because future of India doesn't lie in government policies. It lies in young minds with bold ideas. So today, let's promise that we will dream big, think differently, work together to transform our India into the nation of innovators. And lastly, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our Professor Dr. Vishal Mama sir for his immense support, and just because of his continuous guidance, today my speech has become possible. Thank you.
Continue. Louder. Louder. One of the finest speech as expected. Wish you all the best for the future. Thank you.